is Miss Malini and I'm here with the gorgeous Ki and Ka. Now we're going to play a little game since we always love to play these games. So all you have to do is...
What do we get if we win?
There is a prize, I promise. There is a prize.
मैं coach नहीं करता.
Okay, so this...
I can see the
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
you got cupcakes.
yeah, always. Don't ruin the surprise. Okay, so now you both have, it says never have I ever. Have you ever played this game?
Yeah,
Okay.
played it. मतलब
Obviously. Separately. All right. And you have to be as honest as possible. Okay? Okay. Okay, move in a little bit closer. Okay, so now you know which side you have. And the first question is, never have I ever done anything illegal. Are you going to tell us what it is?
मतलब it's something that the youth does very often. Discovering themselves.
Oh God.
That could be so many things. Okay, never have I ever snooped through somebody's phone who I was dating.
Actually, never.
What did you find?
Nothing. That's the problem.
Okay, never have I ever praised a film that I didn't like.
To whom depends.
As in general.
No, I'm fairly honest. I think that's why I get stopped. I don't get invited very often to see films.
What do you say if you don't like a film? Like what if you meet like the actors in or the director? What do you say?
If you see it in the trial, then I normally just don't say anything. You leave. That's a pretty decent sign.
No, I don't go to trials.
Oh, solution. Just watch separately. Okay, never have I ever pretended to like a gift that somebody gave me that I hated.
I have.
What have you gotten that was...
That I'm not saying.
Because they'll all be watching. Pata lag jayega. Never...
Doesn't watch Miss Malini.
Aha. Never have I ever fallen in love at first sight.
Firstly, have I fallen in love is the question.
बार.
बोल दो यहाँ पे भी लिस्ट बोल दो ना लिस्ट जो मेरी है आपके हिसाब से
Never have I ever used my celebrity status to take advantage of a situation or get something for free or get...
My sister now uses it to get restaurant bookings and then she lands up over there.
Yeah. And she's like, "Hey."
She's like,
Arjun's coming. I love that. Never have I ever played a prank on my siblings.
oh, all the time.
What was the prank?
मतलब siblings के साथ कितने सारे prank होंगे ना बचपन से उनके साथ ही था हाँ.
Very true. You
But
never
you are
done
not
it?
asking her anything.
She's saying never.
I'm saying never. I'm mine never.
You are मैंने कुछ नहीं किया मैं सिर्फ acting.
Never have I ever given someone a fake compliment.
No, I can't fake. I don't.
You're like, wait. you're just-
इधर दो ही मत compliment अगर झूठ बोल रहे हो.
Never have I ever denied a rumor that's true. I have. अब बता दो क्या था.
तो इसीलिए तो नहीं बताया ना.
No, I'm not doing
Okay. Never have I ever lied during this interview. You have. You have. Haven't you?
I'm stuck.
I'm trying to remember what I've said in this interview. I have.
Okay, tell us. Thank you for playing the game, and the winner is actually I think it's a tie. So you both get cupcakes
She has only said never to everything.
because she's
Gender inequality.
Gender.
The moment you're giving her no.
You
I
both get-
I'm not
you-
accepting this. Let me just taste it and decide if I want to accept it or not.
There, I love Lapskado.
they're so good.
Yeah,
Okay,
like cake
quick
also.
message.
अरे
to
यार दे
everyone
दो
who's watching
इतना
live.
स्ट्रेस है पिक्चर की रिलीज का कुछ तो खा के जाऊंगा.
Question?
No, actually, everyone just wants to know whether Arjun is wearing high heels right now.
No,
Oh,
I'm wearing shoes from ASOS right now, but I can do the.
Manage in those
I can do
items.
the.
I am dying in these heels.
I can imagine.
Uh,
Okay, message for everyone who's watching. What's something they must look out for in Ki and Ka that they will be like wowed by?
Amazing story, fab performances, great chemistry, just like everything. 1st April.
It's the coolest I'm saying. It's the coolest film because मेरी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी और अंग्रेजी भी. No, it's the coolest and quirkiest film you've seen in a long time. And Balki, if you liked his earlier films, you will definitely like this film. So watch it for our director, if nothing else.
All right, message to everyone who loves you on MissMai.com.
Don't read blind items.
They can't help it.
No.
Yeah, they're exciting. I read them.
Yeah, I also read them.
Life is it,
I
especially
also-
when they're about you. Or you don't know they're about you.
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know.
It's not like she calls to ask if it's about.
All right, thank you so much, guys, for this. It was so
Thank
much
you.
fun hanging out. And in case you missed, don't worry because it's going to be live on Facebook, so you can already watch it.
I want to be appreciated for my improving fashion sense on your.
Already, we did so
No,
many.
I want even more blogs.
Even more.
I feel very.
Tell us about your hair.
I
You're
want to be a fashionista.
You are a fashionista.
I want to be.
Fashionista now.
Yeah.
You have become.
I've
Sonam
become.
and you are fashionista.
सोनम का भाई हो कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना ऐसा. Tell me about my hair.
Remember how Ranbir said once he's the male Sonam, are you the male Sonam?
No, not at all. There is only one Sonam.
But tell me this hair. You've done something new. It's like
I've grown it out for half girlfriend. Yeah, so it's growing even more. It'll be a little longer.
But who is your girlfriend?
Girlfriend, bata do.
That's why I'm doing half girlfriend. Everything's half half.
Thank you guys so much. It was so fun hanging out. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.